Okay, y'all, I promise getting started is the hardest part.
You see this?
So use your straight edge to dip in the translucent powder and then make your straight lines. Javana used the eyelash curler to create the whole look. Smoke it out, smudge it out. You can use your eyelash curler to make the dimensions of the web and then jazz it up with some rhinestones if you want. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with the results. It was very fun to get tangled in this web.
Who's ready to get possessed? Okay.
Keep your eyelash curler handy. Grab some red lipstick. You don't want to use the fancy stuff. If you have a drugstore brand, even better. Brush that red lipstick on the top of your eyelash curler to create your horns. You have to flip that eyelash curler in order to make the horn shape.
It worked!
Javana didn't love the way her horns came out.
Wait, Tessa, yours looks so much better. Why does mine do this?
But as Derek Shore says, perfect is so boring. All you have to do is fill it in with red lipstick. And then whichever red lipstick you used, go ahead and use that for your actual lipstick as well. We were stunned with this look. It came out so cute and fun. This next look calls for toothpicks and eyeliner. Rub some eyeliner, or if you don't have eyeliner, black eyeshadow or even mascara on the toothpick. Then you're going to create the lines across your mouth, just like a skeleton. If you want to use the cap of something, that'll work good for your nose.
Better be in the middle.
Is it in the middle?
No.
Then I use the toothpick again to contour my nose, and then really again with the black shading to make it have a spooky effect. This is terrifyingly easy. Presto, you're a skeleton. This would also play on Dia de los Muertos. It's just super fun.
Okay, I think all things considered, this is good. This is just for if you don't have a costume and you're like taking your kids trick-or-treating and you just want to be in the spirit.
Get those forks out and grab your red lipstick. Rub red lipstick all over the fork. This is gonna look a little crazy.
Javana got sliced up! Oh my god!
Whoa!
I felt the splatter!
Here's a close-up of Javana. I think it looks fabulous in a murderous kind of way. Look number 5 is my favorite. It's the ghost buns. All you have to do is part your hair down the middle, put it up in high pigtails, and twist for 2 separate buns. Once the buns are in place, grab a tissue paper and a clear elastic. Secure the tissue paper over the buns, add some eyes and a smiley face, and boom, 2 ghosts.
Let me fix this.
This next look is where you stack 2 3-strand braids on top of each other. It's very simple, but then you have to secure them together with an elastic. Grab the top braid and you pull it up once they're secured together. That top one needs to be taut, and then you squeeze it with a straightener so it stays up like a triangle, like a little cat ear.
It works.
Rinse, repeat on the other side. If you want to add whiskers and a little heart nose, that's what we did. It ended up looking really cute. I hope these looks help you get into the Halloween spirit. There were a couple of fails. We tried to be clowns. It didn't work out.
I think this is it. I don't like this one. I hate it. Is her thing different? Stop. Why is it doing this?
I don't like this one.
I hate it. I don't think we should do this to people.
No.
This is bad.
If we can't even do it.
Exactly. This? What the heck?